Making music with words. Mastering stress in English compound words and phrasal verbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of compound words and phrasal verbs in English. Specifically, we will focus on how to correctly apply stress patterns to these words when speaking. Remember, correct stress can dramatically improve your pronunciation and make your spoken English sound more natural. Before diving into compound words and phrasal verbs, let's first remind ourselves what word stress is. In English, we don't pronounce all syllables in a word with the same force or emphasis. One or more syllables will usually stand out because they are pronounced more loudly, for a longer duration, at a higher pitch, or with a combination of these. This emphasis is what we call word stress. Compound words are words that are made up of two or more smaller words. For example, notebook, bedroom, sunflower, and so on. As a general rule, in noun compound words, the stress usually falls on the first syllable. For example, we say, notebook, not notiebook. Try it yourself. Make sure to emphasize the first syllable. Now, let's discuss phrasal verbs. These are phrases made up of a verb and a preposition or adverb, like, give up, turn on, or check out. In most cases, the stress falls on the second part, the preposition or adverb. So we say, give up, not, give up. Practice with these examples. This is where we put our knowledge into practice. To truly master the stress patterns, we should practice creating sentences. For example, let's use the compound word, sunflower. Instead of just saying the word, try to create a full sentence, like, the sunflower in my garden is very tall. Or, for the phrasal verb, check out, you could say, can you check out this book for me? Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words in context, the more natural your word stress will become. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, the key to perfecting your English stress patterns is practice, practice, and more practice. Use compound words and phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations and watch your English pronunciation improve. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!